Rosemary oil and ginger for hair loss. Rosemary is an herb used in hair cosmetics because of its availability and strong pungent. Rosemary has the ability to stimulate the growth of new hair. It can also fortify hair roots, preserve hair follicles from infections, and also protect the hair and scalp from impurities. Both dry and fresh plants of rosemary can be employed successfully to prepare hair-friendly spirit infusions, which are actually used in aromatic hair conditioners, hair sprays, or some types of rinses. It is considered that rosemary oil is a more effective remedy for hair loss than water-based rosemary extracts in helping to eliminate dandruff. The regular use of rosemary oil not only stimulates hair follicles, it also helps to grow hair in a healthy and strong manner. It aids to slow down premature baldness or hair loss, and in addition, it prevents your hair from graying. Therefore, rosemary oil is an excellent way for people hair loss and hair infections. Rosemary oil is quite beneficial for flaky and dry scalps. To remove the dandruff completely and to nourish your scalp, massage your hair and scalp with rosemary oil. Do this regularly for better result. Furthermore, try mixing rosemary oil with basil oil and tea tree oil, which will be very helpful and effective to treat any kind of scalp problems and hair loss. Is this video being helpful? Then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Ginger for hair loss. With all its other medicinal values, ginger contains strong and stimulating properties to treat hair loss problems too. Some of the uses of ginger in hair loss treatment include hair growth. Ginger helps to increase the blood circulation in your body. When blood flows to the scalp, it supplies the required nourishment to the hair follicles and increase the growth of new locks. Ginger recipe to eliminate dandruff. With its antiseptic properties, ginger can eliminate dandruff from your scalp, and which in turn promotes hair growth also. With 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, add 3 teaspoons of olive oil, and add lemon juice. Then massage your scalp with the mixer and leave it on 20 to 30 minutes and rinse well. Do this thrice in a week to make your hair free from dandruff. The strong tickling sensation of ginger root can cause some irritation in a sensitive scalp. But it is temporary and remains only for a very short time. But the benefits from ginger hair treatment will be the same. Ginger recipe to increase hair growth. Mix 1 teaspoon of grated ginger root with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then massage your scalp and hair with this mixture in a circular motion. Leave it on 30 minutes or longer and rinse well with shampoo. This is a good remedy for hair loss and even early stages of thinning hair. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.